So I'm Christopher Newton. I am the exhibition director for the Surface Design Show. This is the fifth time that we have organised the show. It's the biggest yet, and it is a show about innovative and new materials for the interior and exterior of buildings. We've got more exhibitors than ever before, and I think they are, funnily enough, I think they're better displayed than ever before. There's a lot of colour and a lot of colour trends you're going to see at the show, and a lot of different sustainable surfaces, a lot of good performance in surfaces that are performing well on the interior and exterior. Acoustics, of course, is something which has been here for a while. Also green walls. First time we're seeing natural green walls that people are using both on the inside and outside of buildings.
Hi, my name's Sally Ann Harrod. I'm a design writer and colour and trend consultant, and I'm working at Surface Design Show on Surface Spotlight Live. A really key trend that we're seeing coming through this year is how geometrics are being interpreted within materials rather than just surface pattern. So we're seeing multi-material surfaces that combine maybe 2 or 3 different materials in beautiful, intricate geometric shapes. So they're very precise, very luxurious, and beautiful from afar, but when you get close you also want to see what they're made of and have a touch and a feel. A really lovely mix of, in terms of metal inspiration, brass and bronze coming through with an antique look and feel, so tarnished, slightly aged, brushed finishes. So that's really, it's about the materials themselves inspiring the colour palettes. So metals that are brass and golden yellows, leathers that are really dark, so dark browns coming through instead of black. So there's this element of a classic feel, really luxurious, and just all about touch and feel. When you're starting to want to bring texture into your home, I think a key tip would be to not stick to one texture. Look at the inspiring mixed and match aesthetic that we're seeing coming through, where you see some smooth materials next to more textured materials. So you're bringing in that touch and feel rather than using everything on sort of the same level, if you like. So yes, smooth metals against brushed metals, textured leathers against beautiful tufted wools. So it's all about a mix and match, but beyond pattern, we're seeing it in materials that we choose as well.
I think why people should visit the show is if they are looking for new materials for projects that they have been invited to tender for or they're specifying for. That's what they'll find here. A huge range of new, innovative, sustainable materials for surfaces.